The matter what they handle today, and a matter of 4 years old girl, Abi.
Yes, sir.
4 years old girl where they rape for where for Lagos? Which area of Lagos?
Now for mainland, I'll get the full address.
For mainland for Lagos where they rape. Now after the family don't go do Kevan other thing. Testing, they don't do everything.
Yes,
they don't find out to say true. According to waiting Tombo talk, say true. Penetration enter the 4 years old girl.
Better one.
And the two people where they say then they suspect say do am now one 11 years old boy,
one 12 years
old boy, and one 9 years old boy. But according to waiting doctor check for inside the body of the girl, they say the thing not be that one say happen. It don't they happen.
And not be small picking, a mature person.
And not be small picking, they do am now matured person. They sleep with 4 years old girl. 4 years old girl. Two things now I get to talk on top this matter. Tomboy, they hear me? Two things. The number one, I say, where the mama of this girl every time where this thing happen.
Exactly.
We'll call her now.
Exactly.
We go call am. Second one, I say, waiting be the thing where you they see for the body of 4 years old girl. We never get anything.
How?
You know, animal.
We never get anything for body. You know, say normally, we go talk, say Tombo, we go talk, say that girl, why they no go do am when where he be say see how she take dress. Why she go dress like that? Why she go wear mini skirt? Why her body go they show like that? But this small pikin now where this thing happen to now because no, I want ask question. How this small pikin take dress?
What be the attraction?
What be the attraction for this small pikin body? We make una reason and think say na something we make sense to rape small pikin. We go call the mama of this girl to start with. Now of the girl to start.
The woman will report the matter.
Yes.
We go reach out to her, sir. Call the girl,
okay.
Mama.
Give me the woman will reach out the matter. Let me type am here.
Okay.
Type am here. Never dial am. Just type am.
I will, sir.
Then we'll call am.
Because now the pikin can even draw the mama attention.
Are you aware that Muko don't
Muko.
They come out for the girl.
White particle. Muko don't they come out for the small pikin particle website. 4 years old pikin you don't destroy. And he get mama.
The doctor thought they don't destroy the girl.
They don't destroy inside of that pikin. Now guess what? Make I shock you. The mama of the girl for no know.
Here.
If not be the girl wait tell the mama say mommy my wee is paining me.
Yeah.
Mama where you dey?
Oh, motherhood.
Where you dey? You see this is why they talk say not be every mother supposed to get pikin.
Exactly.
You go say Ogane do how I go do now? Ogane do I go market. Well, I look what they carry and they go market. Oh, you don't even know how. In fact, I go call the lady.
Okay, welcome.
Hello, ma.
Hello?
Good morning. Now, do they call you? Me and Tombodo here. Will they call you from Wazobia FM?
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. Madam, now, on top of this 4 years old girl where they rape, Biko,
Okay.
how this matter take happen?
As it happen, I know they stay for the area.
Yes.
Now my younger sister, now they stay for there.
Yes.
So we they travel on Monday.
Yes.
So me and Dan they talk, we just they gist. They talk. From there, something just chipping the matter. She come they tell me. As she they tell me, my head scatter. I vex. My temper change. Right as they talk, I don't know. See another woman self put ear down. The woman self, oh yeah, flare up. Say if now she go keep us, you know. I say me, I no go take this thing. I say how the matter come day now? He said the mama said they never do anything first, so don't tell her me them go arrest her.
She not wait. Not vessel. This girl not get papa.
Hey, as she tell me, she said the mama of the girl gone when born now, when carry her for belly born am, run leave her for the papa. So the boy, papa, the girl when born the girl go, the pikin gone.
Yes.
He run leave her for the papa.
Okay.
So the papa na keke they drive. Na small boy, young small girl too.
Yes.
So he only have no conflict cope with the baby. Then when the baby small, newborn baby that time. So now he come carry and go meet the girl mama. Come carry and go for her. The girl run. They don't even know. I don't know whether they don't know her whereabouts as well.
Oh, till now.
Yes.
Hey.
So now that mama now train this pikin. And now he know as the mama, now he train them till now. Now he pikin know. The pikin don't even know saying get another
Mother.
mama.
Yes.
So, and the boy when born na the papa of the boy, I don't know whether they don't tell him. So now the woman na go fit talk whether she don't tell the papa or not, whether the papa don't know.
Now, all the people when they say they involved for this for this thing. In fact, now who be the people when they say they say do this girl this thing?
They say na their neighbor where they keep the girl. If the mama go supply markets.
How they take
Say
notice na the neighbor?
Now the baby talk.
Hey.
For this, they say the first day, the mama say the day when he go carry the pikin, say before if he come back, if he just call the girl name, the girl go run, come out from their house, come meet am. Say for that day, call am 1, call am 2, call am 3 times. The pikin no answer, he no show face. Say he call. So later their senior sister come bring the girl come. When he bring the girl come, say the girl face don't swell up, they red. He say waiting happen, una beat am. They say no. Just carry and give her. If they sleep, they say no. Just carry the girl, give her. He carry the girl enter house. Mercy. What happen to you? Mercy no talk. What did they do you? Mercy no talk. Then talk. You dey hungry, you no talk. The girl no talk. Say God say abi she want sick. This one when he dey like this. Come go bath and pour am water, give am paracetamol. The baby can't sleep. He no even chop. Sleep till night. In senior daughters, they come call and say, wake this pikin make it chop. Then wake up. Give her food, finish. Pikin sleep again, he no talk, nothing. Till the next day. From the next day, like 3rd day or so, now the girl come fit even talk, come say, we dey pain her. We dey pain. The man say, which one be we dey pain me? Daughter come tell and say, hey, you don't know what be we. I think tell you say we dey pain am. He's saying we dey pain am now. So that one I can't go bath am. As he won't wash am, the girl shout.
Hey, Jesus.
Shout, my wee. Now she can't go call her mama, say, come check this girl, low. This the way this pikin they talk, don't come out for be careful. I said the bath now he shout to me, say fear catch me. Come go check this girl. Mama say open this baby shout. She herself shout. So the girl don't muck up.
Hey.
Don't fool her. Don't scatter.
Hey,
Mercy,
Jesus.
who do this to you? He can't mention the one will be 12 years name. First, now he can't carry and go hospital. Hospital where he carry and go, they can't look at it, they say, no, they're no fit to. Can't refer them go Ikeja. When they call it Ikeja say make you go bring police report. She can't go. Police they can't give her a report. When she can't take go, they can't treat her. Doctor can't say, this one no be small pikin do this thing. Say go and ask this baby very well. No be small pikin do this thing. Say even no be only front they do. Say they do the back.
Hey, Jesus. Then do back join.
Now so say now what the doctor
Jesus.
confirm be that. Say make they ask the baby very well. Except say the baby don't pass out. When the big person do am, she no know. Say no be small pikin do this thing no.
Huh.
No be small pikin of that 12 years. So when they come ask am well, come pet the baby. Small girls never even they talk very well oh. Say they come ask the baby where the baby come say say that one big brother do me my back for nyash.
Hey.
Come say big
Jesus,
brother, big one, Joshua, big brother, big brother, do me for nyash. Abisia. Doctor say no be only nyash that big brother do am. Say he do am for front. Say no be small pikin Joshua of 12 years now he do front. So now doctor now confirm and say no be small pikin. So doctor too, if they fit get doctor contact, which she say he did for the police, the doctor report, and the doctor report to the police hand. So doctor said he confirm what in see. So now since then they admit the baby, can't treat the baby. Till they can't
Now
go house,
these
because
these boys will do this thing. Where then they?
for the woman for their compound, then they.
They don't confront these boys.
The mama say even go meet their mama. Their mama shout for her.
Where their house they? What's be the address of this house?
Now Ejigbo they stay.
Ejigbo, you don't know the number of the house, the street address.
My sister feel no because now she be their neighbor.
Okay, now if we call your sister so that she go enter inside the compound, give the mama the phone, and we will talk to the girl as well if possible.
Okay. The thing be say the mama, my sister no day. We self now self because we dey road they travel.
Okay, okay, okay.
I get the mama.
Okay,
number,
we go call the mama now. We go call the mama.
Okay.
My sister, thank you very much. We will come back to you if need be.
All right.
Thank you. Hi, 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 hi.
He gets all kinds of things to even to react.
Jesus Christ.
You would imagine
4 years old pikin, you do front, you do back.
back.
Oh,
Something dey behind
hey.
it. This will not be ordinary.
when I talk like that, go say
No, not be
you
ordinary.
don't have to be emotional.
Hey,
Not be ordinary.
hey, wetin you go see?
Wetin you go exactly
wetin you wan
now?
see for 4 years old pikin wey?
Huh?
Hey.
So something dey behind. No.
Jesus, oh, abeg, where police, oh, where commissioner of police, oh, oh, call the mama of the girl, oh,
Wait.
and the girl wey born this pikin think say God go dey smile for am. God no go do wetin he go do and give you. Hey. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Madam, good morning. My name na Nedu. I dey call you from Wazobia FM. You dey live on air. Madam, we dey talk to one call. We dey call you for wetin happen to Mercy, your pikin.
Yes, sir.
Now, your pikin dey there.
Yes, he's there inside.
You fit call her come outside while we dey talk to you.
Mercy.
Hey,
Come.
Jesus.
Sit down here.
Now, mommy, the question wey I wan ask you, the people wey dem say, wey Mercy say na dem do this thing, abeg, wetin una don do about them? Police don hold them, abi una just leave them?
Sir, when the thing can happen, I sent for the mother that very day.
Yes.
Because the woman they go shop. You know, if he come back, that she should come and see me. The woman did not come. Rather, I went straight down to the school and tell them that the Pekin should not bring my Pekin back from school again. They asked her why. He said, me, I thought saying Pekin raped my Pekin. That's what that woman did. He never entered my house. We live in the same compound, big compound. Okay, I leave him. I said for the man, they said the man traveled. So when the man came back from travel, I called him. I said, you should come and see me. The man said, he traveled since. He said, you just come back. But now you don't come out. When he come back, you come and see me. Since last week, it is today, the man didn't come. The day Venture come, I went somewhere. He don't come again. If I call him, he doesn't pick my call. I leave them. So then this Pekin, when that thing happened, I come back from market. I said, when they bring them, as they bring the girl, it takes them sometimes. But the girl, they lively before. They can't bring and come. I can't call him name, Mercy. You couldn't answer me until they come down from upstairs. Mercy, you don't answer me. When they bring her near me, the girl don't rain, they don't cry. The eyes swell up. I asked the big girl where bring and come. That one now is about 17 plus. What happened to Mercy? He said nothing. Did you beat her? He said no. Why? Okay, did she sleep? He said no. Why you come in her face come red and you don't want to talk again to me? Because when they talk like parrots. When you see me go hug me, go jump, mommy, blah blah blah, because you don't want to talk. I asked the girl tired. The girl couldn't tell me anything. I collect the pikin for her hand. Cara enter up. Mercy, what happened to you? He said nothing. I thought he had it. He did warm. I can't give him paracetamol. I give him food. I come back for him. I said, okay, go and sleep. He go sleep. The next day, I be that night, tell me, say, mommy, my tummy is paining me.
Hey, Tommy.
I said, what is wrong with your tummy?
Hey.
He said, my tummy is paining me. I said, I'm sorry. I can't prepare him that morning, go school. When he come back again, he still tell me, he said, my mommy, my tummy is paining me. Then I go buy medicine, give him. That one, no, buy one medicine, give him. The next day, he said, mommy, my wee is paining me.
Hey!
My wee is paining me. I said, what happened to your wee? He keep quiet. My wee is paining me.
Now, after she
Mama
talk
God,
all this is
every day.
wanna find out. Now, and she when you ask her who do this thing, okay, she fit. If you ask her now, she go fit talk who do am.
Yes, sir.
Give her phone. Let me talk to her. Oh Jesus!
Okay.
To hear her voice, they fear me.
Tell her who do that thing.
To hear her voice, they fear me. Hello, Mercy.
The big one.
Mercy, how are you?
The big one.
Is the big one?
Yes.
What's the big one's name? You don't know the name?
Yes.
Are you okay? Are you all right? Is your stomach still paining you?
Yes.
It's okay, honey. It's okay, all right? Don't worry, you'll be okay, all right? Mercy.
Okay.
Don't worry, you'll be okay, all right? Oh, yeah, give mommy the phone.
Okay, sir.
Mommy, what's in your house address?
Number 1, Tony Davis.
Okay, now, you don't talk to police. Okay, Doctor, what SP talk? Okay, now, Mama, will they hand over the case now to police? By God's grace, before the end of today, then go come your house and then go do everything what they're supposed to do. This matter, I carry on for my head because me while they talk, I get daughters for children. So I don't know what I fit do. If person do, I go me. Hey, Jesus, oh God,
Calm down.
Mama, no worry. We go. What in be your house address again, Mama? If you send text message.
I will give my picture, make sure help me test them.
Now,
Okay.
this number where they call you now, give your pikin the phone. Make it text on our house address now to the number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, the mother of the boys where do this thing, she dey compound.
Is the compound?
Have you talked to her?
No. By now, she don't go market. She don't go her shop.
The 17 years old girl where carry Mercy give you that day, she dey compound.
I don't know. Unless I will go check.
Help me check.
Okay, sir.
Help me check. But no problem. I beg, after you check, Mama, give your pikin, make it text on her exact house address, the full address, the house address number 1, the street, the area, everything, bus stop where they close to, make them send them to me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then I go call you, or flash me when you see the person for house, so that I go call you back, or I go call you back myself.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mama. Jesus. And my brother cry for
I
my
did tell you,
cry for
you know,
my
this one, if I say not offering,
cry
I'm
for
This-
my
this one not be
cry
about-
for my
I'll tell you.
This one not be about you are a radio. This one not be
Oh
about-
no.
It's
Oh no.
I don't like-
Oh, no.
It
is heartbreaking.
No.
Oh, no.
This one not be criminal offense with this. So
Robert, you see the kind of thing where they see everything.
this is beyond crime.
How do you settle down
Are
and
you-
rape a 4-year-old
Four-year-old.
pikin? Not be only for front,
Front,
you do am
from
from
back.
back. How?
And from the way they talk,
How?
so not be say that small boy good do. Then the senior one, maybe the papa or whatever, so see do. Those ones say, help me keep my pikin or my good neighbor when be say they follow the leaky or he don't die since. And another confirmation to be this one.
You see, I don't even know where I want to start from this matter. Everybody they blamed for this matter. Everybody they blamed for this matter. You when they be say get pikin, you will get pikin, you they keep them where boys dey. But anyways, that one not be the matter. The matter right now, as with the flow you talk so, I trust our commissioner of police for Lagos. I trust our commissioner of police, and I trust the SP already. In fact, he done they alerted on the matter already, and they don't get the whole information when they say concern this matter. And not get where they want wrong go. You see those people? I can promise you. What I tell them for inside studio, I don't mind spend the last cover with it for my pockets to make sure say these people, every one of them, including the mother, the father, the boys, the girl where bring the pikin can't give, we say nothing happen. Everybody, I pick everybody. I promise you, I swear by father, somebody, oh God,
Calm down.
oh God.
Even the girl will carry the
Yes,
4 years old.
everybody,
Enough.
Yeah,
all
well.
of una go suffer.
Yeah, well.
I swear my father, except say God not they exist, all of una go suffer. Even the mama when born this girl, when dump and run come out, you go suffer join. When you allow me this girl suffer, 4 years old innocent child to suffer this kind of thing. Oluwa oh, God. Boko answer phone call first. Make I leave matter. Hello. Good morning.
I really mean it. This thing tell me, people are too wicked. Why they are too wicked like this? A 4 years old child. We doesn't know anything.
We don't know anything.
We doesn't know anything. they gang up. When they see them, they come like,
Jesus.
I beg God, these people will not go in.
Don't worry.
They must surely suffer it.
Don't worry yourself.
That's why this girl will suffer. They will suffer it double.
No, then go suffer more. No, then go suffer this thing.
They talk.
Thank you. My Sunday, thank you. No, then go suffer this thing. No. Hello?
Hey, Banedu, good morning.
Good morning.
The matter touched me, oh. Nobody will hear this matter will not cry. They gave that girl medicine to drink, then the girl sleep go. Hey, God, now wow, now well done.
I
I
don't even get
for this life. Oh. What did that girl know? What? They wasn't talking the hungry, they don't know where hotel they. What nonsense? Because whenever I go life, they do anyhow with the girl body. What position of them one day?
I get 7 years old daughter. I get 5 years old daughter.
Yeah.
I get daughters. Baba, I swear to you, I go fair off you. I don't care. Anything will happen, make it happen.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to see. If I'm not sorry, anything will happen, make it happen.
Say, get with the
This
person
kind
go
of thing I
talk.
don't say.
Get with the
What
person go
if
talk for
they
radio.
take the laws into their hands?
You're going to blame the person when they throw into your own hand.
You hear that Indian example of it? The Indian example. You get with it and they talk for radio.
You could blame person when take law into your hand.
And I say this is not
You could blame am.
Now more that be this now.
You don't finish this speaking. You don't finish am.
From Muko to the come out.
From Muko to the come out. You know what don't happen inside of the girl?
You know how long that has been?
Only God go help me this girl survive this thing. Now only God in heaven ain't go help me this girl go survive this thing.
Grandma, they tell me say I sent for.
Grandma say for now. Wait forehand.
Sent for.
We supposed to tear cloth, tear blood everywhere. God forgive me.
Must have sent for. I sent.
Hello,
for.
Woody on the phone line, I beg.
Hello?
Yes.
Oh, God. Better life is on the line, my brother.
Better life would they hear you.
Jesus. I didn't hear they cry alone. I knew that they pray, they ask God why. This world, are they becoming to be Sodom and Gomorrah? A little baby like that. In fact, I don't know what I can say, but only I'm telling you that God will punish these people.
Yeah.
And I want you people to follow it bomber to bomber.
Don't worry,
No
Mama.
matter whatever it may cost.
Don't worry. Thank you,
It
Mama.
may cost too much. Let it cost life and or anything.
No
These
wahala.
people must be punished.
They will. All of
This is
them.
what I'm telling. They are wicked.
Thank you,
It's
Mama.
part of killing.
Thank you.
I'm-
Yes, not killing.
I said that mother.
Because you know what
yes,
Pikin say? Pikin, Muko.
Eh.
Let me, you see, if Muko they come out for the Pikin private, you know what they happen for inside her
You
system.
know the level
can
of
pain
damage.
when
You know
she
the
don't go-
you level of damage you could happen inside her
Inside.
body. Like you see when she begin talk now. Is your belly paining you? Yes.
Imagine. That
With a
that begins
human
what
bone.
admission like this now. So
Carry that
Pikin
kind
support if
pikin.
that Pikin na hospital, that Pikin supposed to
house.
now. I don't know why she dey house. I don't know why that Pikin dey house. That child is supposed to be in the hospital.
Yeah.
You see, for all the time when me and Ratata and everybody don't they do this our backyard, Mata never touched me like this. Mata never touched me like this. This one,
I dey feel am, I dey feel am,
this one
because,
off me. This one off me. And if you don't ever get any matter when it be say as I did so now, I can do and undo. Now this matter. I beg mothers where they out there, I they beg una. I used to take beg una. I don't know how I want to beg una again. If una get boy children, I beg sit them down, talk to them. And if you get girl children, I used to take beg you. Every man out there na predator. Look every man as predator.
Thank you. Yeah.
Look every man as predator. Hear me. Look, if you girl pikin, look every man as person wey fit spoil your pikin. Not trust and not even trust her today with the papa too. Hear me, yes, I talk am well. Not even trust am today with the papa. I use God to beg una. La wo, I beg.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chook mouth.